This is the continuation of day 6 riding from Gangtok to Mangan to Lachen. So watch part 1 of day 6 first before watching this one and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Oh yes, and you can also get detailed travelogues for these rides at onelivinglife.in.
Mind-blowing view. Feels as if I'm almost riding parallel to those peaks. And this is the first time I'm getting such a wonderful view of this place. It's hard to ride on these places. I mean, what should we look at? Such bad roads or such wonderful view? As if I'm riding straight into the mountains there. The river Tista is supposed to flow along with this road because where we are actually going, that is the source of river Tista. We are going to Gurudongmar lake, which is the highest lake in India. Not the highest lake, actually the second highest lake. The highest lake in India is Cholamu lake, which is just 5 or 9 kilometers away from Gurudongmar, somewhere after Mangan. Still have to submit the permit at Chungthang. I have been riding for 6 days now and have covered a total distance of 1063 kilometers till now. I will try to make it before sunsets because roads in North Sikkim are dangerous. This is what I have heard, but I'm going to experience it myself now. Nice town, Mangan. They have a mosque in the middle. Nice town. So we've already reached Chungthang, it seems. These guys have video parlors here. Mail police check post. Let me ask. यहाँ पे सबमिट करना है क्या? यहाँ पे नहीं ना? चुंगथांग में कुछ नहीं करना है? सीधा लाचेन? Okay. Thank God. I have to do nothing in Chungthang. Going straight away to Lachen. Mangan, I wasted 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes, damn precious minutes there. I'm not trying to race ahead of time, I'll take it easy and slow, but then if I could get 30 minutes after reaching Lachen, that would be great for me. Wonderful ride. "23 more kilometers to go." That means 1 hour or 2 hours. Boulders. The temperature outside is so cold. As soon as I stop and start breathing, my visor gets all fogged up. This fogging thing is really pissing me off. Oh God. 18 more kilometers of ride like this. Welcome to Lachen. Finally, I have reached Lachen. 1075 kilometers from home. My neck and back have already broken, and I have yet to do Gurudongmar. Bottled water is banned in Lachen. Wrong. Lachen Eco Neste. Lachen Eco Neste. It says 15 kilometers still. Why the fuck do I get to stay here? 12 kilometers is a big deal. Fuck. It's just 3:25 p.m. out here in the hills, and it seems like it's already going to be evening. The temperature is rapidly dropping now. Every minute it's dropping very, very fast. 10 more kilometers to go. कैसे जाओगे? हाँ, इसको हटा के ये अभी गिरा होगा।
सुबह सुबह पता नहीं कहाँ गए इन लोग।
अच्छा, लाचन और कितना दूर?
लाचन अभी यहाँ से 7-8 किलोमीटर।
7-8 किलोमीटर। इसको हटाओगे कैसे अब?
नहीं जाएगा
ऐसे ही? सही बात, चलो।
The roads in North Sikkim are not that good, but bro works hard to keep it in shape.
Nice. Definitely no parking. Oh, look at the weather. Wow! This is wonderful. Whoa! You're great, bro. Econest homestay. पता नहीं। Let me see that guy cross. And then I will. He's crossing on his glamour. Will he step? Will he step? I'm just waiting to see. Excellent, 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 excellent. That's nice. Let's be a Lachen wala guy. Let's be. Damn! I almost got my shoes wet. This is the problem. I should have brought some riding boots. I mean, I didn't even care. See, so many motorcycles are going. Not even a 200 NS. Pulsar 150. Normal Pulsar 150 GTSI. I must. 3.3 kilometers. It says 7 more minutes. So, oh my god. It's evening here, but still daytime at that altitude. Lachen Eco Homestay. Final bridge to Lachen, I'm guessing. Lachen Eco Nest. Huh? Oh, I was asking. Lachen Eco Nest. परमिट यहीं पे जमा देना। हाँ, one Xerox copy, one original permit, Xerox दो ना। और लाचेन इको नेस्ट कहाँ पे है? लाचेन इको नेस्ट। हाँ,
आपको मैं मैप बनाने दिखा। While returning back also.
okay, while returning back I have to come here. Okay.
This cop was a very good one. He actually drew me a map and showed me the way to Lachen Eco Nest. That is my homestay for the night.
Okay, thanks a lot. Eco Nest. Yay! Finally. I don't see anyone. I mean, I reached Econest, but now no one is here. What the fuck? Lachen is not a small village. It's bigger than Poo and Nako and stuff. Excuse me? कोई है? भूत की जैसे आवाज निकल रहा है. So the place I'm staying here is Lachen Hotel Eco Nest. Okay, and the valley is beautiful. Little bit of clouds touching the mountains here and here, and a little bit of snow not too far away. So it's kind of, the altitude should be near Poo Jiori Nako, equal to Poo Jiori Nako. I'm not sure. My friends haven't reached yet. I have reached here around 10 to 15 minutes ago. Yep. Interesting update. I got my tea. asked for some biscuits, but these guys could not provide me. They rather told me to search for some place, some shop around should be open that sells biscuits. Nearby there will be some shops. So with the teacup here I am out in the streets of Lachung, trying to find a shop that sells biscuits, and with that wonderful view, of course. So right next to my place for staying, we have this Lachung supermarket. You can get basically everything here. It's open till 8 PM. Biscuit मिलेगा?
बिस्किट मिलेगा.
Wonderful. A whole day of tiring ride, and this is what you need. It's 5:30 now. Around half an hour ago it was completely dark, so it gets dark faster here. Although I can see the camera cannot capture that, but I can see the clouds and the valley and all. Should have been a wonderful picture had there been some more light. It looks nice.